Namo Namaha. Welcome to join correspondence course in Sanskrit by Sanskrit Bharati. Sanskrit Bharati has launched this course specially for the people who cannot contact any teacher to learn Sanskrit. They can learn it online or through correspondence with us. Really speaking, Sanskrit is mother language of all the languages, and everyone is eager to learn. Here we provide small lessons for you to repeat, learn and start speaking in Sanskrit. The whole purpose of this effort is to speak in Sanskrit, to learn to speak in Sanskrit. You can speak, you can converse very easily in Sanskrit through all these lessons. In this correspondence course, there are 4 steps or 4 levels to opt for. First is Pravesha, second is Parichaya, third is Shiksha, and last one is Kovid. Till Kovid, you can be expert to form sentences and write well in Sanskrit, as well as you can speak and converse in Sanskrit. Pravesha is first level, for which we are going to start now. We will start today with Pravesha first lesson, Prathamaha Pathaha. In this lesson, we are going to learn pronunciation, especially all the alphabets which are there in Sanskrit. Sanskrit language is very scientific language, and every pronunciation is very scientific. Friends, this is our vocal system by which we pronounce, we speak. By using this vocal system, we pronounce alphabets, vowels and consonants. Here I have written vowels and consonants. We are supposed to understand that Sanskrit is very scientific language, and different parts of our vocal system, according to that, the sound generation is reflected in all the vowels and consonants. First of all, we will read the vowels and understand to pronounce. A, E, U, Ru, Lu, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Here, in Latin script or in English script, we have written A, E, U. By giving diacritical marks, we can specify the pronunciation, how it is expected in Sanskrit. Ru, Lu, A, I, O, Au, Aha. In the beginning, we are supposed to understand all these marks and we can pronounce them. Consonants: K, K, G, Gh, Ng, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Ny, T, Th, D, Dh, N, T, Th, D, Dh, N, P, P, B, Bh, M, Y, R, L, W, Sh, Sh, S, H. As you have practiced with pronunciation, all the alphabets we have pronounced once. Now we can understand some special aspects about these alphabets. Here in the vowels, Lu is a vowel which is not found in any other language. A, E, U, Ru and Lu. These are the short vowels which finish up in very small span. A, E, U, Ru. These are the long vowels. We take time to pronounce them or prolong them for a little bit. A, I, O, Ow. These are the long vowels. These vowels are not having short vowels. That's why these are called as diphthongs. Is anuswara and aha is visarga. These are the concepts which are followed in Sanskrit. Almost all the time you are supposed to learn about anuswara and visarga. For Sanskrit pronunciation, we will see equivalent vowels or alphabets from English to make it easy to pronounce. A from rural. As we say rural, A is there. We can take A from Sanskrit. A, father. E, fill. Lily. E, feed. Meat. U, full. Bush. U, fool. Tool. R, Christmas. Christmas where I is not pronounced. R is prolonged pronunciation of Ru. Ru, Ru. Lu is flip. Here I is not pronounced. A, pray. I, as we say I, just like that, I. O, store. Ow, out. K, seek. K, khaki. G, girl. G, aghast. Ng, monkey. Puncture. Ch, chum. Ch, Churchill. You are supposed to give special stress on ch. Then it becomes ch. J, jump. J, jazz. Y, singe. T, term. T, giving stress on t, it will become t. You are supposed to mix up h with t. It becomes t. D, double. D, adhere. N, hunting. Here hunting. Here N is pronounced in between hunting. T, path. Th, third. The, that. The. With deep expiration of the, you are supposed to give the. N, nut. P, punish. P, sphere. B, but. B, abhor. M, mud. Y, loyal. R, rub. L, luck. V, verb. sh, shirt. Sh, sharp. S, servant. Her, her. When we read consonants, we are supposed to understand that this sign denotes that you are supposed to pronounce this consonant half. It is without vowel. K plus a becomes k. So every consonant with vowel, it becomes complete. If it is half, you are supposed to mark like this: k, 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 k. So this mark, we are supposed to pay attention to this. As we have seen, if k is added with a, it becomes k. If k is added with e, it becomes ki. Just like that, k, ka, ki, ki, kuku, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha, all the vowels can be put up with k consonant. We learn that how to write it. K. If you want to make ka, you are supposed to put ka. So this is the sign. You can see this in your book and understand and try to write it. Ki, k, e will become ki. This is the sign given in the book. Ki, long e becomes ki. So this is the sign given in the book. Ku, that is u, that becomes ku. Here we are supposed to write u. It is small u, short u. Ku is u. If you make it long, ku. If you want to write kru, you will have to give this. Then it is u here, ru, and this is ru, which is long ru. If you want to make it with kru, with k, then it becomes double. K. If k is mixed up with a, then it becomes k. Here also. Then k is with I, it becomes kai. Sign is kai, I. K with o becomes ko. Sign is k with au becomes cow. Sign is k with becomes kam. Sign is anuswara. As I told you, anuswara and visarga are specialities of Sanskrit. Kaha. If k with aha will become kaha. Visarga. Two small dots like this. Just here you can see Shrihi. Aha. K plus a becomes ka. K plus e becomes ki. K plus e becomes ki. K plus u becomes ku. K plus u becomes ku. K plus r becomes kr. K plus r becomes kr, long r. K plus lu becomes clu. K plus a, k. K plus I, kai. K plus o, ko. K plus au, kau. K kam. K aha, kaha. Clue. K with lu is found rarely. Conjunct consonants. How do we conjunct all the consonants? Half t with m becomes tm. Sh with n becomes shn from Vishnu. T r y becomes triya from Triambak. K plus k becomes ka. G plus r plus y becomes griya. V y vya. Ng g ng, ganga. Nga. Sh y shya. T s ц, वत्स. त क त, प्राक्तनम. ग ल ग्ल. व र व्र, व्रतम. ड म ड्म. श्र स र अ, श्र, श्रीः. त स न, त्स्न. क त व, त्व. ग व ग्व. श च श्च. ड य ड्य. श ल श्ल. त स य त्स्य. क न क्न. घ न घ्न, विघ्नम. श न श्न. ड व ड्व. श व श्व, अश्वः. ट व ट्व. क म क्म. घ य घ्य. च च च. ढ य ढ्य, आढ्यः. श क श्क. द द ड.